Wizard Easy Programming helps everyone to program ABB robots in an instant. More and more customers need to adapt programs by themselves, adjusting a deburring path, changing to another product, or programming a new welding path. ABB's Skill Creator software allows experts to create custom wizard blocks in just minutes. You can create programming blocks in 9 languages. Whenever the user is changing the language of the flex pendant, all blocks in Wizard are changed to the selected language. On top of that, you can link every block to a web app, perfect for manual operations or when monitoring applications. Just create a new category, define the block text and the rapid code behind it. Then deploy the blocks to the real controller or test them on your virtual robot in Robot Studio. Any rapid code-based program is automatically converted into wizard blocks. Tailored blocks allow everyone to easily modify a program. When you're done with integrating one ABB robot via Skill Creator, you can reuse your wizard blocks and web apps for all 6 and 7-axis Omnicore-powered robots. With Wizard Easy Programming and Skill Creator, you can easily and quickly create, adapt, and deploy any application.